Hi friends, today I am going to prepare sour and spicy Mangalorean cucumber curry. To prepare the cucumber curry, first let me roast all the masalas. In a pan I am heating half teaspoon of oil and few mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds start sputtering, I am adding 6 to 7 red chili. This can be adjusted based on spice preference. 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, quarter tablespoon jeera seeds, half teaspoon urad and few curry leaves. Once the masala is roasted, I am adding half grated coconut and roasting for 10 to 15 seconds. Let this cool. Meantime, let's cut the cucumber. For that, I am removing the stem and cutting the cucumber into 6 equal parts. Removing the seeds and then thinly slicing it. Cucumber is ready. Now in a vessel, I am heating 3 glasses of water, 1 lemon sized tamarind, 2 teaspoons of jaggery and 2 teaspoons of salt. Once the water is a bit warm, I am adding the cleaned cucumber. Let this cook. In the meantime, let's grind the roasted masala, 1 onion, 4 to 5 garlic pods, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder and water as required to prepare a fine paste. The cucumber is also cooked now, that is, it turns soft and transparent. So I am adding the masala and water to adjust the consistency. Let the masala boil. The masala is nicely cooked. To this, let's give a tadka. For the tadka, I am heating 1 teaspoon of oil and few mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds start sputtering, I am adding 5 to 6 garlic pods and few curry leaves. Once the garlic is cooked, let's add this to the curry. The sour and spicy Mangalorean cucumber curry is ready. If you like the recipe, do click on the like button, share the video and subscribe to the New Home Kitchen. Bye!